Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c square minus c cube equals to 3 over 64, and we solve this problem for the values of c. Here you see that this is a third order equation, or in other words this is cubic equation. It means that this equation has 3 roots. So now here we find all of that 3 roots. I hope so you like this video, but if you have another method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. The very first step we are going to do is, first we move this 3 over 64 in the left hand side, and it will be written as c square minus c cubed minus 3 over 64 is equals to 0. And here further in the next step we need to focus in the term of minus 3 over 64. So here first we rewrite this minus 3 over 64 as, we write this minus 3 as minus 4 plus 1 divided by 64. And when we break this fraction, then it will be written as minus 4 over 64 plus 1 over 64. So we cancelled these terms. You see here 6 times of 1 is 6, and 6 times of 6 becomes 4 times of 6 becomes 24. So 16 times of 4 becomes 64, and we obtain here minus 1 over 16 and plus 1 over 64. It is equals to minus 3 over 64. And here we again rewrite this as, we write this minus 1 over 16 as minus times of 1 over 4, and we write 1 over 64 as 1 over 4 whole cubed. So here we replace these two values, or we replace this value of minus 3 over 64 into this given equation. So after replacing this value, our given equation implies that we have c square minus c cubed and minus 364, and we put this value here, it will becomes minus 1 over 4 whole square plus 1 over 4 whole cubed is equals to 0. So here we need to make the pair of square term with square term and cubic term with cubic term. So we have the square terms are c square minus 1 over 4 whole square, and here from these two terms we will take common minus sign, and we get the remaining values are c cubed minus 1 over 4 whole cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need here two nice formulas. First is a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and the second formula is a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we need these two formulas to solve the above equation. Now here first we apply the first formula in the first pair, and after applying this formula, this will be written as first you have c square minus 1 over 4, we write it as c minus 1 over 4 times of c plus 1 over 4, and minus here we apply the cubic formula. So after applying this formula, it will be written as c minus 1 over 4 times of c square plus c times of 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 whole square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step you see on both of these terms we have c minus 1 over 4 be the common factor, so that we will take common c minus 1 over 4, and we get the remaining values are, here we get c plus 1 over 4, and here we multiply this negative sign on each of these values. After multiplying this negative sign on each of these values, it will be written as minus c square minus c over 4, and minus this is 1 over 4 square equals to 1 over 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 1 over 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write c plus 1 over 4 minus c square minus c over 4 minus 1 over 16 is equals to 0. So from first case we easily get the value of c is equals to 1 over 4. This is our first real value of the given question. And after that we move towards our second case, and now here in second case we first remove here the fractions which lies here. So in order to remove these fractions we will multiplying both of the sides by 16. So when we multiplying both of the sides by 16 on each of these terms, it will be written as 16 times of c plus 16 multiplied by 1 over 4 minus 16 times of c square minus 16 times of c over 4 minus 16 times of 1 over 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need to add or subtract the like terms in order to solve this equation. So for this we have, this is 16 times of c, and these are cancelled out by each other. 4 times of 4 becomes 16, and minus this is 16 times of c square. So here you have 4 times of 4 becomes 16. We get minus 4c. This is cancelled out by this one. We get minus 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have the like terms are, first we write this is minus 16 times of c squared, and now 16c minus 4c equals to 12c, and this 4 minus 1 is equals to plus 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now here in the next step we convert this equation into the standard form. For this we multiplying on both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiplying by both of the sides by minus 1, it will be written as 16 times of c square minus 12c, and minus 3 is equals to 0. So here we apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 16, capital B is equals to minus 12, and capital C is equals to minus 3. And we state the quadratic formula as C is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute these three values of A, B and C here. First we put the value of B, it is minus 12. So when we put it here, it will becomes minus times of minus 12 plus minus square root of B square. B is minus 12 square minus 4 times of A is 16, and C is minus 3, and it is divided by 2 times of A, and here our A is equals to 16. So we have, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 12, and plus minus square root of minus 12 square equals to 144, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus, and 4 times of 16 times of 3 is equals to 192, and it is divided by 2 times of 16 is equals to 32. And now here in the next step, when we add these two terms, it will be written as 12 plus minus square root of 336, and it is divided by 32. So here we need to focus in the term which is lies inside the square root. So now here in the next step we rewrite the term lies inside the square root as 12 plus minus square root of, we write 336 as 16 multiplied by 21, and it is divided by 32. And now here in the next step we have C is equals to 12 plus minus here we know that square root of 16 is equals to 4 times of square root of 21, and it is divided by 32. And now here we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as 12 over 32 plus minus 4 times of square root of 21 divided by 32. So here we need to cancel these terms, so we cancel this term in the table of 4. So we have 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. So here we have, this is 3 over 8 plus minus, this is also cancelled by a table of 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. So we get here square root of 21 divided by 8. So these are the other two real values of the given equation, and we have the three real values of given equation are, the third value is c is equals to 1 over 4. So these are the three real solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.